on fire.
Hey gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be doing a Where Have I Been video. Lots of people have been emailing me just out of curiosity, asking, will I ever be back to YouTube? Where have I been? So I'm going to go ahead and discuss all that. Also, I will be doing a waist speed update in this video, so make sure you watch the video in its entirety. And I want to do a disclaimer really quick. I am at the park with my daughter, and she's like right in front of me on the swings, so you may hear the noise from her swinging on the swings. So just wanted you guys to know that's what's going on. So let's clear up some of the questions that I had been asked, like why did I leave YouTube? I had to take a break from social media to gather myself together. I knew I wanted to leave YouTube, definitely. But then again, part of me did not want to leave YouTube because I love my subscribers so much and I would never want to neglect you all. But social media was really getting to me, and I won't even say, I won't even give credit to like trolls or people that were just hateful and being mean, leaving hateful things. You get no credit with me. But what I will say is what really pinned the tail on the donkey for me was YouTube in general, with what they were doing to my videos, with what they were doing to my income and things like that. And I actually was just like really fed up, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave YouTube because I'm not gonna keep putting my good hard work content out here and for me to make literally like 50 cents or $1 on a video. Like, no, I'm not doing that. And my views were getting messed with really bad. So I just was like, you know, when I had like 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, the money I made on YouTube was really nice. I wouldn't even lie to you guys. But it's like, as I got more subscribers, as I got higher up, I want to say when I hit maybe 18,000 subscribers, I started noticing my money was declining. And then when I definitely hit 20,000 subscribers, that was it. Like, my money had done like really depleted by the hundreds. And I just was like, okay, maybe it's something wrong. I reached out to YouTube to try to find out what was going on, and they just kept telling me, oh, we understand, yes, this is a situation that we're concerned about, we'll look into it. And they just kept telling me they're gonna look into it. That's been like 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago, and they're still looking into it. And although it's been 2 to 3 years, you guys didn't even know, because I was still bringing out content to you guys, because again, I was trying to stay true and faithful to my channel. With that being said, the pressure became too much for me, and I decided, okay, you know what, I'm leaving YouTube because I just can't deal. You know, as a Christian, dealing with hateful comments, it's really a struggle, because you guys don't really know me personally. You guys, I'm sorry about that, my phone is going on low power mode. You guys don't really know me personally, but I've really changed a lot, like a lot for the better, with being a Christian. And like some of the things that people say to me, like I literally be wanting them to be like, send your location, let's do this. But then I have to remember who I serve, and I have to remember who I represent, and so I have to just kind of let it roll off my back like water on a duck's back, you know, which is, I'm not gonna lie, like it's hard. Like any Christian that say, oh, it's so easy, they're a whole liar. It's not easy, it's really hard. But by the grace of God, you know, I'm able to do it. And you know, I just do a lot of praying. So that's enough of that. As far as me coming back to YouTube, I'm super duper excited. You guys see I have a new intro, and I decided to add my family into my intro. Yes, I said my family, my 2 lizards, my human baby, and my newest addition to the family, my red ear slider turtle. I will be doing videos individually with all of them so you guys can get to know them. Some of you already know Levi, so you'll get to see Levi since he's gotten bigger. Levi will be 3 this October, and I got him when he was about like 3 weeks to a month, so I've had Levi for a good little while. About my waist beads, I still have my waist beads on. I've added 2, another permanent one, and then I've added one which I'll insert clips so you guys can see, because I'm out here in the brightness and I don't know how well you'll be able to see them. And then I added another one that has actually a stretchy cord, which I did that because I wanted to be able to take it on and off. I do offer the ones with the clasp, well, we do, but I didn't really want one of those. I already have like 3 or 4 of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and step back and just show you guys right now what I'm looking like. Hopefully you guys can see. Matter of fact, let me just put the camera down so you guys can see. Okay, so I got the camera down here, and this is what I am looking like right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the pros and the cons of me with my, so here's the stretchy one, as you can see here. Here is my original one that I first put on, guys, when I first did my journey. And here is my other one that has a little cute little Shambhala pearl here. I will put my daughter's Instagram into the what is it, the description bar, so you guys can check her website out and order. I do still need to get rid of this little area here, this little pouch. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, the pros and cons, not the pros and cons, but the pros. Let me just say the pros, because there are no cons. So for the pros, I'm gonna try to get this back up. All right, so for the pros, I am super happy, because one thing about having waist beads on, like the size that the actual beads are, like when you tie them on, at least you know for a fact that you will not get bigger than that, because if you start to gain weight, they will become extremely uncomfortable, and they'll roll up, and when you sit down, they'll like cut your stomach in half. Not in half, but you know what I mean, like they'll crease into your stomach, and they'll be like really tight and uncomfortable, forcing you to actually want to lose weight. So as far as my waist beads go, I'm not gonna lie, it was an emotional roller coaster, because I went through a lot of things since I've been gone from YouTube. I did a lot of binge eating. I gained a lot of weight, and then I lost the weight, and that's how I'm able to testify that these waist beads will get so tight if you gain weight. Like, I gained weight so bad to the point where I told my mom one day, I don't care, I'm cutting them off. But then I would remember I had a commitment, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm not gonna cut them off. I'm gonna thug it out. I'm gonna get myself back in order. So one thing I can say, like I said, is they will never allow you to get bigger than what you are when you put them on, because once you tie them, either they're gonna pop if you get bigger, or they're gonna be extremely uncomfortable, which either way, you will not like it, period. Don't know if the sun is shifting or not. Hopefully you guys still can see me throughout the video. So yeah, I think that's about all. I mean, if you guys have any more questions as far as what's going to be to come, put them in the comment section. If you have any video requests, put them in. I don't know if you guys are wondering about this wig that I made. It is a closure wig, and I did do a full video, y'all, and I don't even want to talk about it because I'm just so sad to know that when I went to edit the video, my phone was really acting up, so I had to do a upgrade and a factory reset, and it caused me to lose all the footage of this since it wasn't saved. But if you guys really would like to see me do it again, I have no problem with, you know, getting hair, doing another wig, and showing you guys how I got it to look super natural like this. Like I said, it's a closure wig, as you can see. So see, it's a closure wig, so none of my hair is out. None, not none. That's just my magic, boo. That's just the magic. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Once again, if you want to order waist beads from my daughter, her Instagram is I Love My Waist. We always make waist beads, even though we're not posting. We always make them. The one of the biggest reasons why I don't post is because a lot of people get duplicates stuff. So because I'm sorry, y'all see me looking. I saw my daughter waving. I'm trying to see what she's waving at. But because we do duplicate stuff, there's really no need to constantly keep posting the same stuff over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So usually what they do is when they order it via DM, they come back to me to get their tracking number, and then they just get it. Now sometimes if I have an abundance of people, then I'll go ahead and put on her page, please DM me for your tracking number, because it's just too many people for me to remember. But if it's just like a handful of people, like 10 or less, somewhere up in there, then it's fine. You know, I can just go remember who it is, go to them, send them their tracking number, and that's it. So you won't always see me post inbox me for the tracking number. Okay, so like I said, more videos to come. My hair oil, I'm going to be doing videos showing you guys testimonies with that as well. So yeah, look forward to a lot of my, y'all gonna see my babies. I'm not gonna call them animals because they're not animals, they're my babies. Y'all gonna see a lot of videos with my babies. So I hope you guys enjoy the content, because it's not gonna stop. I love my babies, and they're on my channel. As you can see, they're in my intro because I love them. Like, they're not even animals to me, they're literally my babies. So thank you all for watching. I love you all. Be blessed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
TikTok. Okay, I'll do it. Tick tock. Tick. Tick tock. Tick. I like your